Today, we're going to play with this awesome monster truck carrier. And we're going to play with this colorful track with blue, green, and orange. Chewy fun toys! And let's play with it now!
Cool.
Let's see what monster truck is the fastest by racing.
Yeah!
Dinosaur.
Versus
Shaker. Heat it up. Let's put Tiger Shark over here. Shaker. Heat it up. This is the starting line. This is where the trucks race to see who's the fastest. And this is the finish line. 3, 2, 1, go. Tiger Shark wins! Yay! Tiger Shark's the winner. We're going to put the winners on the big bone shaker hauler. Our next truck is going to be Grave Digger and 4-wheel high. Yay! What truck do you think's going to win? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yippee! 4-wheel high is the winner! Put them in the box. Our next truck is going to be Hissy Fits. Other truck's going to be Water Dodger. Give me a thumbs up if you like Water Dodger or Hissy Fit. 3, 2, 1.
cool.
Hissy Fit! Water Dodger's out. Hissy Fit's going on the next round. Yay! Hissy Fit wins! Hooray! Our next trucks are going to be Big Kahuna versus Wild Street. This is Big Kahuna. This is Wild Street. 3, 2, 1. Big Kahuna is going on next round. Woo-hoo! Our next race is going to be with Northern Nightmare. Chassis Snapper. Give me a big thumbs up if you like Chassis Snapper or Northern Nightmare. 3, 2, 1. Chassis Snapper wins! And Northern Nightmare is out. Our first round is complete! Yay! On to the next round. We have 2 more races, then it's the finals. Who do you think's going to win? I'm flying! 4-wheel high. 4-wheel high is going on the next round. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Woohoo! Our next race is going to be with Chassis Snapper and Hissy Fit. Okay, let's 3, 2, 1. Hissy Fit. Woozy. Now it's time for the final round. Final round is going to be with Chassis Snapper and 4-wheel high. 3, 2, 1. Chassis Snapper went in reverse. Oh my gosh! Chassis Snapper is the big winner today. He gets the big trophy. Hooray! Yay! That's the end of the video. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Bye!